Welcome to the Volza tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about the My Account section of Volza. Let's get started. My Account section helps you manage and view important information related to your account, company details, balance points, subscription plan, and activities on the platform. Here, you can view your basic details including your name and designation, registered mobile number, assigned salesperson, and your current role on Volza, whether you are an admin or a user. Now you can check the points allocated to you as per your subscription plan, such as search points, download points, training product points, training company points. Let's move to the My Activities section. This section displays your recent activities and usage history. Lastly, you can check your current subscription plan details, including the plan name, validity period, and renewal date. Next up, we have the My Team section. Here you can view the activities of your team members and manage the users that you have created under your account. Now, if you need more in-depth training, we've got you covered. Go to the home page, locate for Schedule a walkthrough option. Select a convenient date and time for your training session. Once that's done, enter your first name and last name. Then, fill out other details like your business email. Then enter your mobile number and the topics you need assistance with. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Schedule Appointment. Woohoo, there you have it. You're all set for your detailed training session. Thank you for watching this Volza tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore all the features.